Hi, good evening. This is Manjit Rawat from Simply to Cloud. Guys, I'm just going to create this video related to one of important topic of Amazon Web Services. So, in this particular video, I'm just going to describe you about the all steps and all services which is available under the LightSail. So, I'm just going to show you how we can start work with the Amazon LightSail. So we need to open the portal, and over a portal the second option which is available in the compute part, LightSail. So if we talking about the LightSail, actually the LightSail is one of important services which is available on portal, and with the help of these services you can perform the various tasks. If you are a developer, if you are just planning to host your website with the help of Amazon, so it's a really good tool to perform your task to host your website. Actually, the LightSail is basically a cost-effective and high-performance-based services. In the single wizard, in the single panel, you can perform the every task. Like you can execute your WP website, you can create your WordPress website, you can attach your databases, you can configure your SSL certification, you can manage your storage, backups, snapshots. So all services, all packages are available in single portal, and it's really fast in compare of other. If we just compare your LightSail with another services like as a EC2 instances, so it can give you a really fast speed to create your services as well as execute your services and also result. So I'm just going to open the LightSail homepage, and over a homepage we have a number of options are available like as a instances, databases, networking, storage and snapshots. So we will discuss about the all option which is available on the LightSail. So first I'm just going to start working with the instances. So in this part I just need to click on the create instance, and whenever we just click on the instance, it can give us a two different types. It can give us a two different option to start your work with the LightSail. First option, to select your platform, it's related to the operating system. We have a two platform, Linux and Microsoft. So as per your requirement, as per your purpose, you can select your required operating system. Like if we are just going to describe more about the operating system, so in the case of Microsoft, it can also again give us a two different way to start your Windows operating system, like as a OS only. If we're talking about the operating system only, it can give us a server 2012 and 2016. If you just click on the application plus operating system, so you will be get a operating system and one application server, SQL Server 2016 Express. Now, I'm just going to check the Linux operating system, and in the Linux operating system, we have also two different options, operating system only and operating system plus applications. So if you're just planning to purchase the operating system you just click here, and it can give us a number of options related to the Linux operating system. Like as Ubuntu, Debian, and lot of options are. SUSE Linux is also available here. CentOS is available. But I'm just going to show you one of important practical, and for this particular practical I'm just planning to show you how we can execute WordPress website. So for the WordPress website we need to select the Linux platform, and we need to select in the blueprint application plus operating system. And whenever we select the application plus operating system, it can give us a number of platform, number of applications that we can utilize in our Linux instances. So I'm just going to click on the WordPress because I'm planning to execute the WordPress website. Although you have a various option, if you are related to the development part, if you have a much idea related LAMP, Node.js, Drupal, Joomla, so you can also select your application. And whenever you just create your machine will be automatically contain the selected applications. But here I'm just going to click on the WordPress. So in the WordPress I'm just going to describe the plan related to the instances. So it can give us a various plan as per your requirement, as per your needed. You can select the operating system machine size. So in the machine size, it can just categorize in various part, like as a 512 MB of RAM, 1 core CPU, 20 GB of SSD, and 1 TB of data transaction. It's a data transfer rate, means you are planning to execute your website, so it can support 1 TB of data transmission from your website to customer site. So here I'm just going to select free trial account, free trial services, and just click create instances. And it's really fast than others, so you will be get your instance within 30 seconds. Although if you are planning to purchase an instance with the help of EC2 panel, that time we need to wait up to 5 minutes to create your properly instances. So that is the reason the LightSail, according to the name, it's a cost effective and much faster in compare of instance. So I'm just going to wait for 30 seconds and just try to refresh our page. Now we are able to see our virtual machine is ready to use because the condition is running. I'm just going to copy the public IP of our VM and just try to paste on any browser. It's depend upon you which browser you want to open it, and we need to wait some time, and it can give us a panel related to the WordPress. It can give us a just dummy website to check your virtual machine is working or not. I'm just also try to open it with another browser as well parallelly. Okay, actually we are using just 512 MB of RAM based machine, that is why it will be take little bit time. If you are to much speed, so we know that we need to increase the RAM size as well. Okay, we need to wait up to 30 to 40 seconds. Once we get the information related to the virtual machine is ready to use, then we'll be try to open the dashboard of admin panel. We can see the root panel. Now we are able to see our virtual machine is contain the WordPress, and we need to log in the account. We need to open the WordPress website admin panel. So you need to type the IP address /wp minus admin and just press enter. And now it can give us an option to log in your machine. So the default user is user, and we need to check, we need to copy the password from our LightSail instance. So I'm just going to click on the LightSail panel, home page, home button, and just click on the virtual machines. Select the virtual machine and click here. This is the console panel. We can say the terminal panel. I'm just going to click here, and it will be directly log in your machine with the help of browser. No need to use any kinds of putty terminal or any third-party tool to access your Linux machine like as a in case of EC2 instance. No need to do that. So now we have one option. We need to execute one command to know the passwords. The command is cat space bitnami underscore application and underscore password. Okay, by executing this command, you will be get your password. See, this one is your password. You just select your password, and in the bottom side, you need to click on the notepad panel. Just try to copy. So I'm just going to copy it and just open the login page and paste. Now you just click on the login button. Now we are able to see the admin page of WordPress. Now you can start your customization, you can start your creation of your website. So within 5 minutes you are able to execute your WordPress machine, and you can also provide the particular machine to developer team, and developer team can start a work over a WordPress. So this is our first step. This is our first video related to the LightSail. We'll create a series related to the LightSail to know about the proper services which is available on the LightSail, like as a instance configuration, database connectivity, and we'll also manage the load balancer and SSL security, storage, snapshot, and migration. We will be manage the entire part in our series. So this is our first video related to the light sale. So in this video, we are just discussed about how we can start a work with Amazon light sales. Okay, thanks for watching. You should be wait for next video, and our next video will be create related to the connectivity of database with your WordPress website. Those WordPress website we are creating with the help of LightSail. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.